Flaxseed is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 acids have healing properties and they are great moisturizers. This seed has anti-inflammatory and soothing effects to the skin. It helps calm rashes and irritated skin. Flaxseed gel improves the texture and elasticity of your skin. It's high in antioxidants. This flaxseed quality, together with its healing properties and high amount of omega-3 acids, makes flaxseed one of the best anti-aging ingredients you can find. Flaxseed gel hydrates the skin without making it greasy, which helps control oily skin and acne. Flaxseed contains natural oil that helps treat eczema, dermatitis. Flaxseed gel makes your skin bright and improves the complexion. This gel tightens the skin and smooths out fine lines. Regular usage of flaxseed gel will make your skin firm, soft, glowing, youthful, and vibrant. Well, today I'm gonna share with you these easy and simple recipes. Soak the flaxseed in water overnight. The next day, pour the mixture in a small pot and bring it to boil. Stir occasionally to check the consistency. Your mixture should start to thicken a bit, and you will get something like mucus, slightly slimy texture. When it cools down, it will thicken more to a gel form. Be careful not to overcook the flaxseed because your gel will be very thick and hard to spread on skin. But you also don't want to undercook it or it will be too raw and the gel won't form properly. After around 10 minutes of boiling, your flaxseed gel should be done. Let the mixture cool down for around half an hour, then strain the gel through a clean, thin cotton cloth. And you got your own flaxseed gel. Once you're done, transfer the gel to a clean glass container and store it in your fridge. You can use flaxseed gel stored like this for the next 7 to 10 days. Well, let's get started with the first recipe. Almond oil and flaxseed gel, recipe for face mask for dry skin. We need here 1 teaspoon sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon flaxseed gel. Sweet almond oil is perfect for dry skin since it's very nourishing and moisturizing. Mix sweet almond oil and flaxseed gel in a small bowl. So, apply the mask as soon as you get your mixture well combined. You can either use a thicker layer as a face mask or apply a thin layer and leave it overnight. Now, let's move to the second recipe. Oatmeal and flaxseed gel. Recipe for sensitive skin. All we need here is 1 teaspoon oatmeal flour and 2 teaspoons flaxseed gel. Oatmeal is very good in soothing sensitive skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties and creates a protective film on your skin that helps the skin to stay hydrated. Mix all ingredients together and apply the paste to a clean face. Leave it on until it dries, about 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and apply your face cream. Try it once a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.